Meet Bzigo Iris, your smart indoor mosquito guardian. With its eye-safe laser and dynamic vision, it tracks mosquitoes so you can relax. It gradually learns your room layout, taking time to adapt and accurately detect even the smallest mosquito movements. Let's set it up together. It's quick and easy. Step 1. Placement. Place your Bzigo Iris in a corner of the room. For best results, place the Bzigo Iris 5 feet from the ceiling, aimed at the closest third of the ceiling. Avoid mirrors and direct sunlight. Use the tripod or wall mount if needed. Step 2. Power up. Plug in your Bzigo Iris using the included adapter. Step 3. Install the Bzigo app. To download the app to pair with your smartphone, you can scan the QR code on the box or guidebook or find it on the App Store or Google Play. Step 4. Pairing the device. Open the app and select Pair Bzigo Iris. You will be notified to pair the device. Scan the QR code on the device with the app. You can enter a room name for the device. Ensure your device is plugged in and wait a few seconds. The app will notify you when the pairing process starts. You will be prompted to press and hold the pairing button on the device located above the red light. Press it for 5 seconds until it blinks green and you hear a buzz.
Buzz, buzz.
Wait a few seconds. Next, the app will request Wi-Fi access to connect to your network and link with the device. Press Connect and select the Wi-Fi associated with the room. You are all set. Bzigo Iris is now ready to detect and track mosquitoes, sending alerts to your phone. All you have to do next is make the final punch. Bzigo Iris is all set to break the buzz cycle. For more help, visit bzigo.com/support.